back to another episode of Restorations, gang. And we've got some end tables this week that we need to get done for a customer. They saw a previous video of ours on some of the end tables we did, decided to bring them by and ask can we refinish them and hook them up for them. So we're going to do a basic sanding down, get it sanded down using some 150 to 220 to 320 sandpaper. If we need to, we'll do 80 grit depending on how tough it is to get this off. And then we're going to see what's underneath, because you know I love to see what was underneath this factory stain here. And then we're going to restain both of these bad boys in cherry. Very limited repair needs to be done. So this is going to be beautification. So let's see what this transformation looks like. Let's go. It always is amazing how the factory finish has all those beautiful wood grains in wood, but look at how that is, the contrast between the factory and the wood grains that are hiding underneath. Can't wait to see this cherry on top of this. now that we've got these beautiful end tables stripped of that old stain, factory stain that was on there, I'm looking at some beautiful wood grain. So we're about to put some traditional cherry stain on here. This is what the customer wanted, cherry. And let's see what this bad boy is gonna look like. Let's get to it. Alright gang, it's time to shine these end tables up. As you can see, we've got this stain to a dark cherry. The customer wanted this to be more of a dark cherry to match some furniture in their house. So we got 5 coats of cherry on here, and it's looking pretty really good here. So now we're about to throw some poly on here because it's time to make them shine. So we're gonna use some Minmax fast drying polyurethane, and it's time to make these bad boys shine. So let's get to it. Once again, guys, we've come to the end of another journey, and these two end tables have came out great. They wanted it to be a darker cherry, so we applied 5 coats of cherry stain and 3 coats of polyurethane on these, and these tables are just kicking. I just love them and love it. So with all that said, thank you guys for watching this episode of Restorations. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And until the next time, peace.